Hello everyone, I am Arsha Fareen, Maths faculty in Tala Padmavati International School. Today, we are going to deal with Class 2, Chapter 6, Footprints. Children, this chapter is for project. So I hope everyone are excited to do innovative projects for this chapter. Let us begin. Children, what is mean by footprint? When we walk on wet mud, we see some traces of our leg. Yes, that is called as footprint. To know more about the footprint, let us see the story of Bholu and the footprints. One day, some baby animals were playing on a muddy road in a jungle. You can see some group of animals are playing on the muddy road. All of a sudden, an elephant shouted, "Run, run, go to your homes. Bolu is coming to shoot with his camera." So this elephant, what did he do? He shouted, "Come on, run everyone, run. Bolu is coming to shoot us with the camera." So all the baby animals ran away. So what did the animals do, children? They have run away. So when Bolu came with his camera, all he saw was the footprints of these animals. So when Bolu came to take these pictures of these animals, what did he see? He was able to see only the footprints on this mud road. Now, can you match the animals with the footprints? Now we will see the leg of the size of the leg of this animal, and we will match it to the traces of their footprints. Now, can you see this? This is so heavy and it has only small. So can you see the leg of this elephant? It is same as it. So we can say that these footprints are of elephant. Next, how many? This comes tiger's legs because it has 4 legs and it has size of the legs is medium. This comes to tiger. What is left? Frog is left and hen is left. Frog has how many legs? 4 legs. So these are 4 or these are 4? So these are 4. These legs are of frog. And these legs are of hen. Right, children? So easy. So this is footprints. Traces of our leg is called as footprints. Now, here I have a project for you. More fun with tracing. Collect something such as potato, a bottle cap, a matchbox, a sharpener, an eraser, a spoon, a bus ticket, a coin, a straw. You can also bring other things. Not only these things, children, you can trace. Apart from these things, if you find any other things also, you can also trace those things. Trace each of this and ask to guess your friends. As you are at home, you can ask your family members to guess those things. This is the project which you are going to do. And on the next page, what you are going to do is look at the shape of each trace you have made. See if it looks like any other shapes given here. So now, for example, you have taken an eraser and you have traced it here. Now, the shape of the eraser resembles to any of these shapes. Yes, then write eraser here. Okay, and you have taken a coin. Again, you trace the coin here. And which coin resembles to which shape here? Circle. So write down coin in circle. Like that, you are going to list out the things which resemble to these shapes. Hope I am clear. Now next thing what you are going to do is Tarani shape. Here, using some shapes, Tarani has created some figures. There is a cat, there is a doll, there is a train, there is a house, there is a bird, everything, right? So here you are going to count and tell how many triangles, how many squares, how many rectangles, how many circles are present in these pictures. In the same way, you are going to use different shapes like triangle, square, rectangle and circle and going to make your own figure. It might be a doll, it might be a train, it might be a house, anything, children. You need to make a drawing using all these 4 shapes. And the other project is make a drawing using only rectangles. Here there is a rule that you need to make a drawing using only rectangles. So first thing you're going to count here, and you're going to draw your own drawing using these 4 shapes, and in the second half you're going to draw a using only rectangles. Is it clear, children? Now let us see some workbook bits. So as I told you, footprints are the traces of our legs. So see the animals and match to their footprints. I think you can do this. Next one, children, this is the shadow of the fruit. So here is a fruit, children. You need to match to its shadow. So how apple looks at its shadow, how onion looks in its shadow, you need to do it by yourself. And the other thing is color the different shapes. Count the different shapes. So you are going to count the number of shapes, number of squares, number of triangles, number of circles. Be very careful when you are counting the triangles, because overall you have to count, individual triangles also you have to count. Be very careful. And the last thing you have to do in this chapter is you need to count the shapes from the picture. Rectangles, how many, triangles, how many, circles, how many, squares, how many. You need to count and write the number. In the same way as I have told you in the textbook to make a drawing using these shapes, in workbook also you need to generate a picture using these shapes. Is it very easy, children? And more interesting, right? So I hope everyone are going to do this project and submit me as soon as possible. Thank you.